Welcome to the Dorman Products installation video for the inverter water pump for the second generation Toyota Prius. This installation is considered moderate and should take between 1 and 2 hours to perform. Before starting this procedure, make sure the engine hoses are cool enough to touch with a bare hand. Under the hood, start by removing the screws that secure the upper radiator trim panel. With the trim panel out of the way, remove the retaining clips and screws that hold on the top of the bumper and grille. With the vehicle raised and both front tires off, remove the hardware retaining the front half of each fender liner to the body. Remove the screws securing the lower radiator trim panel. Remove the screws retaining the corners of the bumper to the front fenders. Carefully pull the front bumper cover forward, releasing it from its mounting tabs. Disconnect the fog light wiring harnesses and set the bumper cover to the side. Remove the 3 mounting screws that secure the left side headlamp assembly to the body. Pull the headlight from its mounting positions, carefully disconnecting each of the wiring connectors. Spray penetrating lube on the water pump mounting bolts. Position a drain pan underneath the water pump, then disconnect both of the coolant hoses. Remove the bolts securing the water pump bracket to the body. Withdraw the water pump from its mounting position and disconnect the electrical harness. Wipe clean the area where the water pump mounts and place the new pump in position. Apply anti-seize compound to the mounting bolt threads. Connect the water pump wiring harness and then bolt the new pump in place. Reconnect the 2 coolant hoses to the water pump and top up the coolant reservoir. Following the recommended factory procedure, remove any air from the cooling system through the bleeder valve on top of the hose assembly. Reinstall the headlight, bumper, and fender liners in reverse order of removal to complete the installation.